Dubai's government-owned investment company has announced a restructuring plan and asked for a 6-month delay in repaying its debts. The unexpected development has shaken creditors and cast doubt on the area's reputation as an investment haven. Many fear the announcement could cause shockwaves throughout the still fragile global financial system. Yang Wei-han has the story.
The investment company Dubai World is one of the key forces behind the Emirates' explosive growth. The conglomerate's businesses range from shipping to property to artificial island construction. On Thursday, the enterprise asked creditors if it can postpone scheduled payments until at least the next May. The firm's debt amounts to nearly $60 billion. That's about 3/4 of Dubai's overall financial burden. To meet its obligations, Dubai launched a $20 billion bond program at the start of this year. It initially raised $10 billion through a bond sale to the United Arab Emirates Central Bank. Analysts agreed the move was necessary, but warned that it could lead to additional pressure on the government.
And I think Dubai need to finance its deficit through selling bonds, and that's actually what it's doing right now. But this in the future might put some burden in the government if it accelerates its debt.
The announcement by Dubai World has stoked the fears of a potential default and a corresponding contagion in the global financial system. Economists say the government should work out stimulus measures as soon as possible. It also needs to create more trust in its banking system and reduce unemployment. Over the past few years, to compensate for its lack of oil wealth, Dubai has relied mostly on trade, finance, and tourism. This overdependence on foreign capital and large-scale projects have curbed the Emirates' economic rebound. Yang Wei-han, CCTV.
China's 3 leading banks said Friday that they do not hold any troubled Dubai World bonds. The statements come from the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, and China Construction Bank. Dubai World said on Wednesday that it's asking for a 6-month debt payment reprieve as a first step in a company-wide restructuring process. Asian stocks slumped Friday as shockwaves from Dubai's debt crisis hit the region. Banking shares pushed the yen to a 14-year high against a struggling dollar as investors unwound risky trades. In Tokyo, the Nikkei average fell more than 3%. South Korea's Kospi benchmark plummeted 4.7%, and Hong Kong's main index retreated about 4.8%. Banking shares were among the worst hit on concerns about potential exposure to Dubai's billions of dollars of debt. The news from Dubai is raising investor fears that debt defaults that could hit the global economy just as it is trying to recover from the financial crisis.